Hello guys, here we have a Lenovo motherboard. It's working fine, but it's not charging the battery. Anyway, I wanna show you some few things, some few tips when you are repairing a laptop with some charging issues. You need to check and see if a PC is able, if a board is able to detect a battery. Okay, that's the first step. If it does detect the battery, you need to check whether it's charging the battery, or maybe stops halfway, or it's not charging the battery at all. All right, so those are two first things that you need to do. You need to check if the battery is being detected or not. And here in front of me I have a schematic. Normally on the schematic you will have to search for a charger. Normally there's the thing P power charger, it's PWR charger for Lenovo, but anyway it will differ from board to board, but normally with this board it's gonna be power charger, PWR dash charger. All right, let's start. Normally you will have two MOSFETs there, the first and the second MOSFET. And both of those MOSFETs, they will be P-channel MOSFETs. You have to double check there and not to make any mistake or to replace those MOSFETs with an N-channel MOSFET. Okay, you have to be careful there. Anyway, here it's funny because we have N-channel MOSFETs there. I really want to see this. Okay, let's go to our I want to check something. I have a board here with me. Let's go and check the board under the microscope. We need to check these two MOSFETs, check them for short if they are shorted, because if one of them is shorted, then definitely a board will turn on, work fine, but it won't charge the battery. If one of them is shorted, they shouldn't be shorted. They should just work fine without any short. All right. Okay, there's the microscope. Let's check for the first and the second MOSFET. Okay, where's the first MOSFET here? It should be around here. Where is it? Okay, there we are. I believe this is the first and the second MOSFET. Normally, those two MOSFETs will be near a charging charger chip. There we are, and as you can see, someone was working on this board before. All right, you can see flags there. Yeah, someone was working on this board before, and yeah, I know they tried to repair this board. Let me check if I can be able to sort and solve this problem or not. If not, then I won't waste my time. If yes, then definitely I'll repair this board. Okay, so now let's check. That doesn't look good. And there we have PQ311. PQ311. And the MOSFET that they installed there, it's a P channel MOSFET okay, 4A35D. Definitely that's a P channel MOSFET. And let's go back to our schematic. On our schematic, we have an N channel MOSFET, a V in. The other one is PQ312. Let's check PQ1. Let's check PQ312. You have a MOSFET there. But anyway, I'm not gonna waste any time. So what we need to do, we need to change those two MOSFETs. So let's go ahead without a waste of time. Okay, let's start here. Let's sort this out first. I'm gonna change those two MOSFETs and put and install N channel MOSFETs, two N channel MOSFETs, the bigger one and the smaller one, and yeah, we'll be done. But anyway, they made a mistake there. They installed N channel MOSFET, P channel MOSFET instead of N channel MOSFET. Someone was repairing this board, he made a big mistake. Let's rectify those mistakes, and then we'll check some other things that can affect laptop not to charge a battery. But from now on, we'll start here. This is our first step. Okay guys, let's go ahead. Let's remove these two MOSFETs and then replace them with an N channel MOSFET. So what we need to do, we need to put flagsy. You can put flagsy if you don't mind. Okay, there we go. Now I think we have to clean this thing. Is so dirty. Let's clean the board. Okay, this is clean. Now let's go ahead. Let's replace. Let's install two MOSFETs there, and again there. They were not using that type of a MOSFET. Let's install a correct MOSFET. Okay guys, I made a mistake there. That MOSFET there is shorted. You know why? It's because this is the original one, the one that was there. It was shorted. You have to remove it. I have the working one. Yeah, it's here. This is a working MOSFET. Alright, and now we are done. Let's wait for the board to cool down. We'll check for shorts, and meanwhile let's clean the whole place. But it's nice, it's nice, more nice as it was before. Put alcohol there, and you clean. Alright, one more time. Now what you do, you check for continuity, check for shorts there. Okay, this is sharp, and then you reverse the prop. Let's reverse the prop. No reading, meaning it's fine. What about this one? No reading. Let me reverse the prop. Yebo, 400 and something. What about this one? Okay, why I'm getting no reading? Let me reverse the prop. Okay, yeah, it's sharp. Anyway, we are done with the first step. Right, the second MOSFET PQ312 was shorted, and we removed both MOSFETs. And another mistake here, they installed P channel MOSFETs here instead of N channel MOSFETs. But anyway, I don't blame the guy, because even I myself, I was gonna install P channel MOSFETs. You know why? It's because most of the motherboard they use P channel MOSFET there from the DC in. But anyway, it's good to have a schematic, right? And the next thing that you check, you need to check for a current sensor. Let's look for a current sensor. Let's make sure that everything that is responsible for charging the laptop is working 100%. Let me show you a current sensor, PR301. Fine, let's check for PR301. Okay, there we are, PR301, and it's sharp. Okay, PR301 is sharp. Let's move on. What do we check? Charger chip. We should check the charger chip. Let's do a physical inspection. Let's check a charger chip. What's the number? PU301. PU301. Check. Oh, there it is. This is PU301. Let's do a physical inspection. Okay, anyway, I don't see anything suspicious there. To me, it looks fine. It can't be a charger chip. Even those resistors, they look fine to me. Let's move on. Now let's check these two MOSFETs. We should have these two MOSFETs, including a current sensor there. But we'll start with the two MOSFETs, PQ316. Let's go back. They should be around here. See the spot. See the guy who was working here. You can see a mess there. Yeah. Okay, seems like we have a mess there. Let's check what we have here. That doesn't look good. And yeah, boy, this doesn't look good at all. What is this MOSFET here? Do we have a MOSFET here? Can't even see. The number was stretched out. But it seems like it's ended with a 4. Let's go back to our schematic and check. I can't really see any number ending with a 4 here, except for this MOSFET there. Oh yeah, battery driver. It should be that one. It should be a battery driver. Let's go back and change that. Okay, this is the issue. Let's change the battery driver. After that, we need to treat that missing pad. There's a missing pad there. Okay guys, now let's check. So what you do from here, I've done digging there. Now we have a disposable disposed, yeah, we have a disposed, call this pad. Now we have to check whether that pad is working or it's not working. So what you do, you try to touch that silver part there. Beep somewhere. Okay, let's reverse the prop. Try with ground here. Okay, ground is connected. Let's see. Okay, I do get a reading. Connected. It means it's working. So now, what I need to do, you come with your soldering station, soldering wire. I mean iron. trying to clean it first. Okay, from here, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use I won't use a soldering what do you call this? I won't use soldering wire. We'll use a soldering paste. Why paste? Because the thing there is so critical. Remember, again, we'll have to join a jumper wire there. Let's try. All that touching there. All is touching. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's come with a wire. Where's this wire? Where's this wire? Where's this wire? Where's this wire? Oh, yeah. Okay guys, you have to clean the board there to remove flaxy. You know why? It's because I will have to apply what do you call this, soldering ink mask, so that so that it will hold. Because if there's flaxy, I don't think it's gonna be able to be dry and attach to a board. That's why I'm removing flaxy there. I have to make sure that there's no flaxy, and I can apply soldering mask and then create the pad easy that way. Okay guys, this is dry. Hope you can see. Let me check. Let's check. Let's check. Yeah, this is dry. So now we need to create a gate. Gate is missing there. Gate is missing there. Let's go ahead. Let's see. Gate is missing there. What we normally do, we have to roll this. 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 Roll this. We have to roll. Put it side and then push it. Okay guys, now let's check if this is working. Connected to ground, you'll get a reading, and I do get a reading 600 and something. Okay, this is sharp, it's working 100%. So from here we have to put back everything. Okay guys, let's go again, let's go down there on the charger section. We have to check. Okay, I want to confirm some few things with you before we install those missing MOSFETs, the one that I removed earlier on. Okay, here we are. Let's zoom in. Okay, I removed PQ3114, of which was the one missing the gate for battery drive. Right, it was missing the gate, pin number 4. Now I think it's fine. Check. Okay, it's an N channel MOSFET. Right, even this one responsible for charging the batteries. They are both N channel MOSFET. Okay, sharp. Well, let's put back everything. Okay, all right, this is fine. Okay guys, I'm done. Let's check everything, and from here we'll be able to check the board and confirm everything. Okay guys, here we are. This is a laptop and it's charging. Let me show you. Let's go to a battery. This is so strange. Imagine I'm using a laptop. I'm showing a laptop display on my PC, but it's working. Let me show you. There it is, 22% it's charging. I'm so happy. Anyway, before you go, you know what to do, right? So you press the subscribe button and don't forget to share my videos. Anyway, sharp